Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to manage cognitive presets. In the beginning, let's go to settings, and now enter accessibility presets. Enter cognitive, and now you can select off, on or custom. This function is a group of common settings to give extra guidance, make text clearer and reduce how much you need to think about at once and how quickly you need to react. All of these and more can be changed throughout the settings menu later. For example, if you set this preset to on, Castle Sabak card header will be set as simple numerals, Castle Sabak helper logs will be turned on, and Castle Sabak cheat minigame will be turned off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.